steel, painting the sky with a glow I can feel. Three wheels rumbling, heart starts to roar. KASZPIR Trike rising like never before. Rubber screams louder than the fading day. Smoke in the air as we tear away. Wind in my hair, fire in my chest. Every mile tells me freedom's blessed. 'Cause we ride into the sunset, burning bright. Speed and thunder lighting up the night. Smoke in the sky, yeah, the wheels ignite. KASZPIR Trike runs wild, wild on the edge of light. Freedom screams as the tires slide. This is a sunset burnout ride. Chrome catching flames from the dying sun. Shadows stretch along, but the ride's not done. Kick up the throttle till the horizon shakes. Life tastes better when the silence breaks. Dust and fire spinning in the air. A rebel road, only few dare. No chains, no walls, just the open line. This steel-built dream is forever mine. 'Cause we ride into the sunset, burning bright. Speed and thunder lighting up the night. Smoke in the sky, yeah, the wheels ignite. KASZPIR Trike runs wild, wild on the edge of light. Freedom screams as the tires slide. This is the sunset burnout ride. Let the rubber burn, let the world turn, let the sky fall red while our engines churn. Three wheels screaming, chasing the breeze, riding straight through the fire with ease. We ride through the smoke and fading sun. The night awakens when the day is done. Speed and freedom can't be undone. KASZPIR Trike forever on the